Are you ready? 5 seconds. Start. In the decision in Ashok and others versus Finance Limited 2001 within bracket 2 crimes 602 have also held that the persons who cease to be directors of the company cannot be proceeded against for the offence under section 138 of Negotiable Instruments Act alleged against the company any quashed the proceedings of the case against under section 482 of CRPC stop. The learned counsel for the respondent contended that the question as to whether the petitioner was a director of the company on the relevant date could only be gone into in the trial of the case, and he relied on the judgment of this court in the above decision will not apply to the facts of the present case, since the question that arose for determination in that case was whether the third accused was a partner of the first accused firm for being proceeded against for an offence under section 138 of Negotiable Instrument Act, and in the facts of that case the learned judge concluded that the real state of affairs of the firm can be gone into only when evidence is let in at the stage of trial stop. The other decision relied upon by the learned counsel for the respondent is the decision that case the signatory of the check filed a petition for quashing the complaint on the ground that he no longer a director of the company when the check was presented, and in those circumstances the Bombay High Court Panaji bench held that the fact as to whether the petitioner was no longer an employee or director of the company has to be substantiated on record, and this can be done only at the state of trial, and held that the petitioner under section 382 of CRPC was premature stop. The above discussion also does not apply to the facts of the present case stop. I am in entire agreement with the views expressed by the learned judges of this court in the decisions referred to by the learned counsel for the petitioner stop, issued by the registrar of these companies in is public documents and coupled with the annual report published by the company can be taken into consideration by this court, and it shows that the petitioner resigned as director of the company on 4/10/1999. He ceased to be on the board of the company from that date stop. Hence, the proceedings in all the cases as against the petitioner are liable to be quashed stop over.